The introduction of a 5-axis machine tool to your manufacturing process adds 2 additional rotary axes of control to the tool axis during the machining process. Using 5-axis machining can help minimize issues associated with multiple setups, poor cutting conditions, and interference with the machine or tool, which can occur during part manufacturing. To help with this, Fusion 360 has a range of tool axis definition options which can be predefined during the CAM programming process, simplifying your workflows and resulting in quicker success. Here, we're going to look at how a tool axis can be automatically defined using the multi-axis contour strategy, which often works well when needing the tool axis to follow a surface normal, such as deburring the edges on this bracket component. Looking at the Geometry tab of the Settings form, the edges to be followed by the tool contact point have been selected as curves. Where a curve is located on a face determines the tool orientation as the tool axis is aligned to the face normal. In this situation, the curve is at the intersection of multiple faces, so the tool axis will be aligned perpendicular to this intersection. Additional controls to the tool axis can be applied from the Multi-Axis tab, such as tilt angle or limits, as is done here to limit the motion of the machine tool for safety. By simulating a toolpath, we can see the tool follows these edges perpendicular to the intersection until it reaches the angular limit, at which time the tool axis is smoothly adjusted for a controlled toolpath. With a proven and easy-to-use library of defined methods for tool axis control, Fusion 360 allows you to simply and safely program the rotary axis of your 5-axis machine, increasing your manufacturing success and productivity.